Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Marty. I'm back with another daggone video, y'all. Alright, so today I picked up my tags. I just went to the NVA. So I got some crazy news, y'all. So I did buy my car in North Carolina. So I have to get my car. I'm all bright looking. Come on now. Come on. Alright, so I gotta get what is it? An inspection, a safety inspection on my vehicle. I did not know I had to do that. God dang it, man. I gotta do all this stuff. I gotta do a safety inspection. So I'm kind of like a little scared a little bit because I have 20% tint on my vehicle and I have those stickers, the Grizzly Marty stickers right there. Hopefully they don't say nothing about it, but I'm gonna hold off on my delete until I get the safety inspection. Then after my safety inspection, I will go ahead and get the muffler delete, man, because I don't want them saying anything about safety or whatever. I don't think it has to do anything about safety, but I just want to just make sure I'm safe. This is my conscience, man, so I'm just go ahead and do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I got my new license plate though, and they gave me a temporary tag till I get my safety inspection. Then when I get my safety inspection, I have to go back into the NVA and get the tags and then pay for those tags. God dang, I got all this money coming in my pocket. But yeah, I'm just trying to just keep it real chill, and I'm going to show y'all some good content. And then also this weekend or next weekend, I'm going to Ohio. So I don't know. Should I just go ahead and get the delete, y'all? Do y'all think that's going to mess up my safety inspection? Y'all comment down below. Let me know, because I need some help. I'm definitely going to look it up too. But y'all comment down below. The people that rock with me, man. I know all y'all rock with me. That's a Grizzly Squad, man. So yeah, let me know, because I hope that don't mess with my safety inspection. Let me know if y'all really want to see this 300 get this delete. My phone keep on getting bright like I'm light skinned. I'm not light skinned, I'm dark skinned. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show y'all what my tags look like when I get to the crib, because I'm almost there. I gotta go say hi to everybody because I've been away. I've been at work doing all this work stuff. Is getting my head all confused. I'm tired, but I'm gonna keep on pushing. I'm gonna keep on moving, y'all. Yeah, I'm almost home. I'm gonna show y'all the tags right now. License plate right here, unless I get pulled over or something like that. I'm not doing it, man. I'm just gonna put this right here. That's all my information and stuff. Let me see. Yep, I'm gonna set it right there. There you go. That's my front tag. So let me see. Let me see everything. See, my tag is right there, man. So yeah, my car is a Marylander now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, y'all. All right, so I'm done. So I'm about to just toss this, pull up my registration and stuff back in my vehicle. All right, if y'all want me to do the delete, I will do the delete. But if y'all don't comment down below and let me know what I should do, I'm not gonna get the delete zone. So it's all up to y'all, man. Y'all let me know if this will affect my Duke over there crying. Yeah, the kids. Let me know if this will affect my, not admissions, what I want to say, my safety inspection. Yeah, that's what I want to say. I don't really know what's going to affect it, but hopefully it doesn't. So, yeah, y'all let me know what I should do. All right, y'all. I'm tired. I'm ready to go inside. I'm ready to eat. I'm starving. I just got off work. But I'm doing these videos for y'all because y'all Grizzly Squad, y'all are my biggest supporters. So we are up to 236 subscribers, and we still growing, man. Appreciate it. Thank you, Grizzly Squad. Peace.